Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, June 12th, 2026 at 13:44, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for today. Now it's 13:45. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at the Day 2 outlook. So in tomorrow's outlook, we've got an enhanced risk that encompasses parts of eastern Kansas, northeastern Oklahoma, extreme northwestern Arkansas, western into central Missouri, and southeastern Nebraska. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of northern Texas Panhandle, part of central to northern Oklahoma, eastern to southern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, southern Iowa, western to central Illinois, eastern to southern Missouri, and northwestern Arkansas. We have a marginal risk that encompasses eastern New Mexico, central to northern Texas Panhandle, parts of western and southern Oklahoma, going up into central Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, central Iowa, southern Wisconsin, central to eastern Illinois, parts of northern Michigan, parts of western to central Indiana, southern Illinois as well, western Kentucky, extreme southeastern Missouri, central Arkansas, and northwestern Tennessee. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see which cities we've got. We have Kansas City, Overland Park, Springfield, and Topeka under the enhanced, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Wichita, St. Louis, and Amarillo under the slight, and Chicago, Indianapolis, Milwaukee, Omaha, and Lincoln under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 5% tornado risk that encompasses parts of eastern Kansas and western Missouri and extreme southeastern Nebraska. We have a 2% that encompasses parts of far southern Iowa, parts of eastern and northern and southern Missouri, western Illinois, northwestern Arkansas, northeastern Oklahoma, and southeastern Kansas. So we do have those and southeastern Nebraska. So we do have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow, or 2% for tomorrow. We have Kansas City, Overland Park, Topeka, and Olathe under the 5%, and St. Louis, Springfield, Fayetteville, St. Charles, and Springdale under the 2%. So for the 5% area, we could see an EF1 tornado possible tomorrow, and 2% we could see an EF2 0 tornado possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 30% hatch that encompasses parts of eastern Kansas, western to central Missouri, northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Nebraska. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses northern Oklahoma and central Kansas. And we have a 15% normal that encompasses northeastern Texas Panhandle, central Oklahoma, going into northeastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, southern Iowa, eastern to southern Missouri, western to central Illinois. And we have a 5% that encompasses parts of northern Michigan, southern Wisconsin, central to eastern Illinois, western to central Indiana, western Kentucky, northwestern Tennessee, extreme southeastern Missouri, central Arkansas, central Oklahoma, parts of western and northern Texas Panhandle, eastern New Mexico, parts of central Kansas, southeastern Nebraska. So we do have those areas under a 5% tomorrow. So we have Kansas City, Tulsa, Wichita, Overland Park, and Springfield under the significant severe. Kansas City, Overland Park, Springfield, and Topeka under the 30%. Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Wichita, St. Louis, and Amarillo under the 15%. And Chicago, Indianapolis, Milwaukee, Omaha, and Lincoln under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area, we could see 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 15% hatched, we could see 60 to 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. 5%, we could see 60 to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% hatched that encompasses eastern Kansas, northwestern and western Missouri, extreme southeastern Nebraska, and extreme southern Iowa. We have a 15% normal that encompasses parts of central Missouri. We have a 5% hatch that encompasses northern Oklahoma, central to eastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, southern to eastern Iowa, northwestern Illinois, and southern Wisconsin. And we have a 5% normal that encompasses parts of northern Michigan, much of Illinois, western to central Indiana, northwestern Kentucky, much of Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, central Oklahoma, northern part of the Texas Panhandle, and there's the reset. Eastern New Mexico, central Kansas. So we do have those areas under a 5% normal tomorrow. So we have Kansas City, Omaha, Wichita, Lincoln, and Madison under the significant severe. Kansas City, Overland Park, Topeka, and Olathe under the 15%. Chicago, Indianapolis, Milwaukee, Oklahoma City, and Omaha under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch downright hail possible tomorrow. 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3 inch downright hail possible tomorrow. 5% hatch, we could see 1 to 2.5 inch downright hail possible tomorrow. 5% normal, we could see 1 to 2 inch downright hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says 1 or 2 evolving thunderstorm clusters appear possible across parts of the central Great Plains and lower Missouri Valley vicinity, Saturday afternoon through Saturday night. Some of the activity will pose a risk for producing large hail and swaths of strong to potentially damaging wind gusts. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. Here's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. Excuse me. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.